Hello everyone, bonjour tout le monde, comment nous y est? Excusez-moi about matin, comme on a fait un travail moi là. Yon ti jan fait yo ka bruit ka paraît dans vidéo excusez-moi. Matin nous pral faire maïs moulin ak joumou ak kalalo. Okay? We're gonna cook grounded corn with pumpkin and okra and coconut milk avec jus cocoye. Là, nous gagnons épices nous cap frit. N'a frit épices là, déjà mis épices là frit. So après ça, nous allons mettre okra. Okay guys. Pour de mettre l'ail avec pot frit, kounya là, yo commencé marron. Kounya là, nous allons mettre l'autre bagay nous yo pour nous tout faire yo. So after we fry the garlic and the green onion, we're gonna put our okra and pumpkin to steam with coconut milk, okay? And a little bit of tomato, okay? There it is. We're gonna put it here, all right? And we're gonna add our pumpkin. Now make a pumpkin joumou nou tout. Nous racher au petit parce que nous besoin yo pour cuire vite. Nous pas pral blender yo non. So c'est comme ça. N'a tout fait li. N'a tout fait là un petit season, un petit complete seasoning. OK? Pour bal goût. Et puis tout ça c'est my coconut milk I blended. OK, jus coco m'nam te blendé, n'a vidé dans ça. All right? N'a pas steam it. OK, n'a tout fait. Capable ajouter un petit de l'eau, ça dépend de valeur pumpkin, n'a cuit. Nous vidons un petit de l'eau en plus pour le capable bien bouillir, bien cuit parce que nous besoin pour pumpkin là, joumou, nous besoin pour joumou bien cuit pour le fond là-dedans. We need our pumpkin to be melted in our water before we can put we're gonna add more water. Just enough to cover the pumpkin. Okay? Alright, that's good. So we're gonna let it boil, and with the same water, we're gonna cook our grounded corn, or ici they call it too cornmeal. It's whatever you call it. But en Haïti, nous connaissons, tout haïtien yo k'ap gade m'la, nous connaissons le sa maïs moulin. Parce que me fait vidéo pour un pile monde ka comprendre. Okay? I have other people that don't speak Creole that watching my video. I want them to understand. So this is cornmeal we're gonna cook with pumpkin, okra, coconut milk. Okay? So this is the way we're gonna do it. As you see today, we're cooking outside again. We're gonna cook outside as much as we can. Okay? So let's get cooking. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Abonnez, partagez, like. Thank you for the people the new subscriber. Welcome. Nouveau abonnés, mieux bienvenue. And thank you for the people that continue to watch my channel. Okay, that come back and watch my channel. Even you're not subscribe, but you click in my channel, you watch it. Thank you too. Merci pour tout le monde qui toujours tourne, vin gade channel moyen. Et même si ou pas abonné, c'est en passant ou ap gade bagay sa yo. Merci parce que vous prenez petit temps pour garder. Peut-être si vous gardez ou ka remel ou ka abonné tout. OK? Moi merci nous tout. Alright, n'avance. Hey guys, let me give you a pic of outside. I didn't show you the day. Look at the sky. It's nice. It's blue. It's beautiful. Look at that. See those coconut tree over there? Very nice. Very nice. Okay, guys, this is the corn I'm gonna use. I get that at the store. This is my cornmeal or grounded corn. Ou bien my moulin. C'est lui même m'a utilisé jeudi. Okay. So we're gonna check on our food. Look at that. I didn't even see the pumpkin anymore. Ouais, nous pas même ouais joumou en même. Là mettons un petit maggi, chicken bouillon, un petit maggi. And we're gonna put a little bit of salt. Okay. Little bit of salt. And then we're going to stir it, see if everything is melt. You see? Those pumpkin is not melted yet, but they cook. You can melt. You can stir it so they can melt. Ouais, joumou an poko fin krasé net. Avec cuillère là, on capable fin krasé. Okay? All right. Today I have some people fishing in my backyard. My husband and a friend. Okay? So if you see some people out there by the lake, they fishing. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna quelques moun ka pêcher poisson. De là. Mais yo, zanmi avec Marim, yo campé là et après pêcher poisson dans lake là. Sinon, ouais, gen moun dans vidéo. Je souhaite figure papa. Okay, guys, let's see if it's boiled now. So we can put our cornmeal or my moulin, grounded corn, whatever you call it. So as you see, it's boiled. Okay, and I put a hot pepper on it. I didn't open it. If you want it hot, you can open it. Okay, whatever season you wanna add, you can add. And there we go. I'm putting my cornmeal or my moulin in Creole. Moun ki pa pale Creole, yo ap tou apren pale Creole. Parce que lem di bagay yo en anglais, di yo en Creole, so video apitil tout moun. Alright, now we're gonna stir it. I'm gonna put my gas stove down so it don't burn. Here we go. I already tasted. The salt is good. Déjà goûté, sel la bon. Et moi me may moulin molas. Ba remel du. So depend de jon reme may moulin, if you like it hard or soft. So you make it like that, okay? Ba remen trop d'lom, ba remen trop du. Ça fait moi me mettre kalalou la dan pour glisser. Pour glisser descendre. Ok, sinon j'ai un petit bout de joumou, yon ka toujou krasé yo. Mais puis faut joumou déjà krasé dans my moulin. Ok? Yes. Then we're gonna steam it. Cover it to boil and steam it. Probably abonner, partager, like. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and yes. Okay. Cooking outside today. It's beautiful outside. Very beautiful outside, and my husband and my friend over there fishing. You can see them fishing over there. Yeah, there's some big fish in that lake. They've been jumping up and down in there. Yep, beautiful. Beautiful sky, blue sky. It's beautiful in Florida. They're fishing right there. They just caught a big fish. Okay, guys, we're checking on our food. Look at that. So, nous devons battre my moulin. Mon Haiti yo kon sa m'a dit, bat my moulin. Keep stirring it, you know, so everything melt together. No lumps, you know. Yes. It is good, sweet. The sweet, the salt, everything. Very good. Now we're gonna continue to steam it, the last steam, so it can finish cooking. Okay? Okay, guys. My moulin get en cuit. Moun yo tellement aimé my moulin. Yo get en presque fini à chaudier. Yo mette le moitié. Ok? Kounya la mbal mette le plat là. Many. Yes, looking good. Mettez le plat tout comme ça. Chaque monde ka passe. Prend pan yo et puis tout. Ouais, m'gon zaboka là. M'a couper li. Couper zaboka. Mettez la dedans. OK. Yes. Peel your avocado. Put around it. And that's the way we eat it in Haiti. With avocado. If you want, you can put some sauce, meat sauce on it. It's up to you. Okay? But just the way it is, you can eat it. Haitien Maiz nou konnen ça. Si nou vle nou ka mette sauce là-dedans. Mais jan ye la, nou ka manger l kon ça. Pas obligé mette sauce. Oh, looking very good. Wow. I love it. Guys, you gotta try it. It is so good. I don't think a lot of people in Haiti do it with pumpkin. Ba kon pil mon Haiti fait avec joumou non, mais moi-même côté sorti à grande moi surtout, reme fait manger ça avec joumou. Il fait my moulin avec joumou, fait du riz avec joumou. Okay? Yes, look good. Tastes good. Voilà. C'est comme ça. C'est comme ça manger à sorti. Okay? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave me a comment. Abonnez, partagez, like, quitte un commentaire moi, remets nous en pile. Have a good day from YouTube.